What is up, guys? It is Firecracker back again for another brick killing. We got some more here, boys, for the old trash bucket. Yes, sir. The trash bucket, boys, is looking pretty fucking good here. Told you, boys, we're gonna get her full soon. She's just about full. That's the trash bucket there. It's a pretty fucking big bucket, and we ain't got much to go, guys. About a finger's length in here. We're gonna fill her up. We're gonna kill this brick right here, boys. Let's get her done. I've shot these. These are supposedly inch and 5/8, 9/32, guys. These are not that big. They're not. They're just not that big. The old aliens and vixens, they are that big, and those are fucking killers, boy. Those are hitters. These are, I mean, they're fine for firecrackers, but they're nothing special, boys. For sure, nothing special here, guys. Go ahead and flip her over. We got another label. We're getting a nice stack of labels. Another label. And there we go. We'll go ahead and open one of these for you guys like usual. And there they are. They're little fatties. They're kind of cool. That's why I bought them. Look at that shit. Damn thing's falling right off the damn strip. Yeah, I don't think these are very good or good quality crackers, guys. I mean, they're worth lighting off for sure, but shit out of here. Yeah, so we're gonna go ahead, grab a nice stack of those, boys. We'll go in the old trash bucket here. This is trash bucket number 1. We're gonna probably easily get another one of these trash buckets going here, boys. It's the way that firecrackers have been going. Now I'll tell you what, boys, the reason why I like firecrackers is not only do they fucking explode, but once you put a lot together, they will blow your ears out, boys. I did 40,000 one year at a 4th of July party, guys, and Jesus Christ, it was insane. I did a lot of black hat rolls, though. I've compared rolls on my old channel, and the black hats are the hitters, guys. Get the rolls of black hats, and that they will blow your fucking eardrums out. You want to kind of leave them rolled up in clusters, and that's when they get really good. So we have a full-blown bucket of trash here, boys. Alright, guys, take her easy, boys.